This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Tillman's Toasty cheese. We took a look at the regular Tillman's Toasty last week, and this week it is the cheese version of that. 4 of them are supposed to be in here, 2 of them are left at this point. Yes, I had 2 of them, well I had 1 of them and someone else had another one of them. We wanted to try them yesterday, but I didn't get to record a video yet, so today is video time for the video. Pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list, the preparation instructions. So last time around I took the toaster, put it on the maximum setting as they say here, which was 7 I think. I thought it was 5 at first, but it was a 7 after all. Turbo oven or long heat oven. What's your highest toaster setting? Let me know in the comment section if you are into that sort of detail. And yeah, where am I taking this now? Anyway, let's take a quick look at the back of this. Zoom in closely on the nutrition table right here and the ingredients list right here. Here we have a suggested recipe, a slice of toast, Tillman's Toasty Hawaii. So we take the toast, then we take some lettuce, then we take the toasty and a pineapple slice and a cherry. Yeah, a cocktail Kirsche, a cocktail cherry up top. I guess an iteration of the regular Hawaii toast, which of course doesn't involve a toasty, but just the regular toast slice, a slice of white bread. Then it would usually have just some the ham, a slice of ham, and then a pineapple slice, and then cheese, and then the cocktail Kirsche on the very top. Yes, a 50s classic here in Germany. Wirtschaftswunder special. This is the Toasty, 2 of the Toasty. Let's take a look at them in the unprepared state. If I remember correctly, then the other ones were a bit darker in color. This one here also seems to be a bit thicker in girth. Is girth the right word to describe the thickness of the Toasty? Maybe it's offended by that, I don't know. Anyway, scent-wise, that's interesting. It does smell different than the regular Toasty, I do remember that. It smells cheesy, not in the best way though. Yeah, it smells like these cheese nuggets maybe that you get from fast food places. But frozen for some reason. Okay, I'm going to put this one in the toaster and I'll be back with you in just a second. Okay, the Toasty has been prepared. Here we do have it. It is interesting because this is texture-wise very different. It's a lot softer than the regular Toasty was. Scent-wise, it reminds me of this Back Camembert, the Camembert that you can buy frozen at the supermarket and that you can just put into your home oven. Reminds me very much of that. Maybe it's just Camembert for the toaster. Maybe. But as we can see here, I don't see... That's interesting. So, see how squishy this is. This reminds me of Camembert, or some sort of cheese for the oven. Yeah, not much of a mini steak or schnitzel. What is it even here? It says it's a Zubereitung aus Gouda, aus Käse und Gouda. It's a preparation for oral consumption out of cheese and Gouda in toast form, in the shape of toast, extra crunchy, breaded, fried and deep frozen. And the cheese is consisting of mozzarella and Gouda. Okay, so it's not a schnitzel. That's interesting. That explains a lot, actually. Very interesting. Okay, that's why it reminds me of camembert, because it is, yeah, like a cheap camembert for the toaster. Let us take a taste test of this then. Let us do a taste test, eh? Yeah. So the previous two of these we had as a sandwich with these lye bread brioches from Aldi with the sesame seeds up top. Very nice stuff. And that was very well tasting. Yeah. And this here is certainly tasting like a cheese preparation. Crunchy enough, cheesy in flavor. Overall, seems to be alright. It is quite fatty though. But then again, it's fried cheese that we put into the toaster, so maybe I should expect that. Consistency-wise, it could be maybe a bit thicker, but it has to be this sort of thickness to be evenly and properly heated in the toaster in such a short amount of time, I suppose. But as something to put on a sandwich, I think this is very decent product. If we compare this though to the regular Toasty, the chicken, I should say the chicken toast that I had previously, and keeping in mind that this is the same price, I would choose the regular chicken Toasty 10 out of 10 times. Yeah, it's a nice addition to a sandwich, certainly. A warm one too in the morning, very easily prepared. I like it, but I prefer the chicken Toasty. Yeah. So, overall, I would give this a very similar rating to the Toasty we had previously. I'm not using the review sheet today, but what I can just say is that this reminds me of the camembert for the home oven. Just very thin, quicker to munch through, I guess, and you can put it on a sandwich. So overall, I would give this, just straight from my head, a 7 out of 10. Yes, a 7 out of 10 today without the review sheet for the Tillman's Toasty Cheese. And still, I would choose the regular, well, I should say, not the regular, the chicken version of this, because I'm more of a chicken guy, not as much of a camembert guy. Yeah, I think this is where I'm going to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then,